Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a generous and tasty recipe to impart to you. We'll tell you the best way to make Hungarian goulash, a customary dish known for its rich, exquisite flavors and delicate pieces of meat. Thus, how about we get everything rolling? Here are the ingredients. 2 pounds of hamburger stew meat, cut into shapes, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 onions, slashed 3 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 2 tablespoons of tomato glue, 4 cups of meat stock, 2 huge potatoes, stripped and cubed 2 carrots, cut 1 red chime pepper, hacked salt and pepper to taste sharp cream. For serving, hack new parsley for embellishment. How about we plunge into the most common way of making this ameliorating Hungarian goulash? In an enormous pot or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the hamburger solid shapes and earthy color them on all sides. Eliminate the hamburger from the pot and put it away. In a similar pot, add the slashed onions and minced garlic. Sauté until the onions are mellowed and clear. Add the sweet paprika and caraway seeds to the pot, blending them into the onion combination for about a moment to deliver their flavors. Mix in the tomato glue, covering the onions and flavors equally. Return the caramelized meat in solid shapes to the pot, alongside any collected juices. Pour in the hamburger stock. It is completely lowered to guarantee that the meat is cooked. Heat the combination to the point of boiling, then lower the intensity to low. Cover the pot and let it stew for around 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the meat is delicate and begins to go to pieces. Add the cubed potatoes, cut carrots, and slashed red ringer pepper to the pot. Mix to join. Keep on stewing, covered, for 30 extra minutes, or until the vegetables are cooked through and delicate. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Furthermore, that's it. A generous and tasty Hungarian goulash, fit to be delighted in the delicate meat, fragrant flavors, and good vegetables, makes a consoling dish that will warm your spirit. I hope you enjoyed learning how to prepare this superb Hungarian goulash. It's the perfect dish to enjoy on a chilly day or when you're yearning for a taste of Hungary. For an authentic touch, serve it with a dollop of heavy cream and a garnish of fresh parsley. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.